Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with a new topic, that is squares and square roots from 8th class NCERT. Today's session about the introduction of the squares. Later we discuss about the square roots, but in this session we are going to introduce about the squares. Properties of a square numbers. This is the part of this, but firstly we have to know about the what is a square. You know about the square, that is nothing but it has four sides with equal length and equal breadth. It means all sides are equal in length. So if you see this, it is near to square. So how much length of the four sides is equal? If you take here 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters, here also 3.5 centimeters as the side of the square. It means side. In case if you find the square area, then you will get the formula like side by side. It means side by side. It means it tells you one side into another side. It means two are is equal, right? This is a square example. You know that how much length of this side is equal to this side. Similarly, this side and this side also. Here it seems to be equal amount of lengths. That is four sides. If we want to find the area of the square, we have to do is side by side multiplication. So how it can be written as 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter, here also centimeter. See here 3.5 whole square centimeter square also. It means this square is said to be our part of the lesson, that is the square introduction. This is just example. Now going through the squares, we know that the numbers, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, let it be n. How it must be going to square? If you take square as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on, here also n square. It means how much result here? 1. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25 and so on, here n square. The number multiplied by itself, it is called square. If you see here 1 into 1 equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 2, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Similarly, n into n, that is equal to n square. We are probably denoting it as 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. These are the representation of the square. It means in the head, it means power. This is the base. If you take if you take square, this is the power of the number. This is the base. We can also pronounce 2 power of 2. But in generally we are pronouncing it as 2 square. 2 square. This is the pronunciation and representation of the square. See here 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and n square. These all are said to be perfect squares. These are all said to be perfect squares. It means there is no negotiations between these numbers. If you multiply 2 into 2, we get 4. If you multiply 3 into 3, we get 9. Similarly, if you multiply n by n, it means n square. These are called as a perfect squares. Next, coming to the properties of a square numbers. We know that square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are the numbers. Now, we have to know about the properties of a square numbers. Here we are having 5 properties of a square numbers. In generally, we are maximum used in this chapter. Those are 5. So, let's start. One is adding triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Next one is numbers between square numbers. Number between square numbers. Third one is adding odd numbers. Fourth one is a sum of consecutive natural numbers. And finally, fifth one is product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. These are in general we are using properties of a square numbers. In earlier sessions we are going to solve problems by using properties of a square numbers. So this is about the introduction of the square and its properties. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.